Welcome to ContentSource.io, your curated database for content sources. Let's take a quick tour of what you'll find here when you subscribe to one of our plans. From the home page, you can search across hundreds of providers, filter by type, stock photos, video, audio, or illustrations, and discover sources you may not have known before. Each provider has a dedicated profile. Here you'll see what kind of content they offer, their licensing terms, typical pricing, and important legal notes. This helps you compare and avoid surprises later on. In addition, you'll get access to short courses on licensing, practical guides for safe usage, and exclusive vouchers that save you money when purchasing from selected agencies. Subscribe today, explore the database, and take your content sourcing to the next level. Smarter, safer, and faster with ContentSource.io.